Hey guys, many people ask me where I buy my miniature babies for my videos. So I decided in this video I'll show you my collection of babies and I'll also tell you where I buy them. These two babies are twins. They were sculpted by Tanya.Tkacik and it is someone I found on Facebook, and she sculpted the both of them, but she only painted this one. So this one I actually purchased on Facebook directly through her page. And this doll, she sculpted it, but someone else painted it, and this doll has hair, and actually I prefer dolls with hair, well, obviously for the videos. And this doll I think I bought on eBay, and I will look for the address of the store, or alternatively, if the artist is watching, she can give me the link to her shop, and I will add it in the description, maybe in case people want to look for more dolls. Now these dolls, they are not always available, so like you really have to wait for one to become available because many people want them. This I think is the first doll I ever purchased. This doll was painted by Maria Lynn Grover, and she has a website. So if you want to buy any dolls, you have to follow her on website, and she has a newsletter, and I will add a link. She also made the hair, and actually I think it's usually real baby hair. And this doll is, this is actually the only doll that has a wire inside the silicone, so she can bend her hands and arms, and they can actually be in this fixed position. So this doll was slightly more expensive than the other dolls. Usually the prices are, I think, they start at $100 and sometimes $200 and up, but those are miniature dolls, so usually they are not the most expensive dolls. This doll is adorable. Look at her face, isn't she gorgeous? I purchased her just recently. She doesn't bend, she bends her arms, but you can't have them in a fixed position. But she has a hair which we really need to groom a little bit. Yeah, and I forgot to say that all these dolls, they can open their mouths, and they all come with accessories. And check this out, this tiny pacifier. Ta-da! I think she's beautiful. The majority of my dolls, such as this one, come from two Russian artists. I'll give the names in the description. They sell on Etsy. Now the problem is I don't keep the certificates, so I can tell you exactly who made what. Look at this gorgeous girl. Also, I think that the dolls with the eyes, with the open eyes, they're actually quite rare, and smiling dolls, they are even less available. So I was very happy when I found these two dolls. This little doll and also these little dolls. There are mainly two Russian artists, and I would say they work in a slightly similar manner, I guess. These three dolls are my tiniest silicone dolls. These two dolls, guys, I think they also were made by one of the Russian artists. However, I bought them on eBay, and they cost there a fortune, like, I don't know, double the price. They were far more expensive than on Etsy. It's like someone bought them and sold them again. And guys, if I could, I think I'd probably buy more and more of them, because I'm like obsessed. These two were not made out of silicone. I think it's clay, they're sealed, so you see they like don't move. These two I bought from a Spanish artist. Also, on Etsy. These dolls, too, guys, look, they can open the mouth. Yeah, you can have a pacifier. I have 3 more dolls. Look what I've got. I've got the Screaming Twins. One is a girl. It's a girl and a boy. So this you can see that's, I think their faces are amazing. Absolutely amazing. And this, I think, was a Spanish artist who sells them. Also on Etsy. Yeah, and she was very kind, and it took ages for them to arrive because we're in the middle, you know, of what. And this is my last doll. Now, she came as a bonus. I didn't actually purchase her. No, again, this doll arrived from Russia, and so she's the largest. If anyone wants to know the name of the artist, I will provide it in the description. And she's very cute in my opinion. And I know, guys, you know, some people find this miniature silicone dolls creepy, let's be honest, but I love them. I don't know, I get really attached to them. I know it's weird, but they are fully, I mean, they're supposed to be anatomically correct, and they are soft. There. So I can add that all these dolls usually arrive with very cute accessories, and you can see that the owners, they love their dolls. They make them with a lot of love, and they also usually have a couple of these nice baby outfits. I don't know how they make them. It's something absolutely tiny. So guys, this is it more or less for today. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thank you for watching.